Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start Cotton Echo program in a Beko drying machine. To do this, first we'll need to turn this knob into the Cotton Echo, which is located right here. Next is to pick the drying level, and in this case it's actually not available. Next is to activate or deactivate LED lamp inside the tank, and next is the alarm sound that we can activate when the program is finished. There's also lower temperature, but it's not available. We can also adjust the time, but it's also not available. And for this program, obviously, just saying. The last one allows you to delay the start of your program, for example, for 5 hours. Now, when you press on start, your program should begin in 5 hours. If you won't set this setting, it should start instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.